In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the course navigation. The course navigation is separate from what's called the global navigation, and even in this little image right here, you can see the global navigation as well as the course navigation. And so we'll jump into one of my courses and we'll walk through what might be there as well as how you might change it if necessary. So here, we'll just at the dashboard again, and we're going to just click into my 6th grade science class. When you come in, you see that there is a bunch of blue links over here on the left. And some of these blue links have this little I with a slash through it. What that means is that the student can't actually see it. However, many of these are ones that we might need to use as teachers, so we still have visibility of that. Okay, this is that way for students and teachers to be able to quickly and easily get to the different parts of the course that they need to. And so, for example, in my courses, we have the modules view, the Zoom link, as well as ones for the announcements, assignments, and so on and so forth. But the course that you substitute in might not have all of these. And so what the teacher has done is they have actually curated which links their students see. So if I were to go over here in the student view, and I'll just click this button right here, you'll see that many of those links just disappeared because I decided which links my students need and which ones they don't need. So for an example, here I have grades, but my students, if I had students in, say, 2nd or 3rd grade, I might not have that grades link there. Okay, just for your knowledge is that in order to adjust these links, we go to settings. And then we come up here to where it says navigation, and we click there. And what we have here are basically two different sets of links, links. Sorry. And these are parts of the Canvas system. And so the ones that are up here are the ones that are going to be shown, and the ones that are down here are the ones that are not going to be shown. Now you notice that some of these syllabus, files, so on and so forth are down here to hide them from the student, but I still see them. That's because there are some things that teachers still need access to or to have access to, even if the students don't see it. And so it still shows in the navigation menu for our view. There are some things that I've taken out. So for example, Google Drive, I don't have that, as well as rubrics. I don't have that in this course. And just what I'm doing right here, that's how you move something from the navigation menu to out of it, in or out of it. And so all I have to do is like click, grab it, and I can drag it down and let it go, and it's going to now be disabled. Okay, I can click here and I can enable it, and it will just go straight up to the top. Or I can actually click here and click move, and I can choose, I want it before or after this particular item, and so it would jump up there. But really, the easiest way is grab it and just move it. And so I'll take that back out of my navigation. So once again, though, the only thing that the students will see, though, are what you have, or what the teacher has, forgive me, already curated. Okay, and so if you don't see something and you need access to it, or the students for whatever need access to it, now you know how to make that change. Cheers.